Hey guys, before this video starts, I just want to announce that I have dropped my first ever merch, and it'll mean the world for me if you guys could check it out and support this channel. The merch is really comfy. Buy some. Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video. So in the previous video I've actually made a video called how to stream to Mixer, but in that video I actually assumed that you guys already know what settings are best for you, and basically today I'm going to be demonstrating to you guys the best streaming settings for Mixer using OBS Studio. So basically today I'm going to be showing you guys how to stream 1080p 60 FPS with actually a great quality and without actually breaking the bank on a super fast internet speed or a high-end gaming machine. So all you need for this to work is basically a decent gaming computer, a decent $500 gaming computer, which I have, which basically has an i5 and a GTX 1050 Ti and 8 gigs of RAM. So this is basically a budget gaming PC. This is a mid-range PC. If you have lower specs, if you have like a Core i3 or something like that, this can definitely work for you. And basically if you have an upload speed of 3 megabits per second or higher, this will definitely work for you perfectly. Anyways, without further ado, let's get right into this tutorial. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna be needing to do is basically have a version of OBS Studio. Without it, you cannot stream. Okay, so I assume you watched my previous video and you basically know how to get your OBS Studio to look exactly like this with your scenes ready and your display capture ready. Or basically, to sum up my previous video, all you need to do is go ahead and add a scene, and then I'll go ahead and add some sort of display over here, whatever is convenient to you, and after that your display should appear right over here. After that, all you need to do now is go to the settings and you're all caught up. So in the general, there's only 2 settings that I recommend messing with. Basically, do not change anything else in the general tab. All you need to do is basically go ahead, choose whatever language is convenient with you. I prefer English, so I'm going to be keeping it there. And the theme, basically, I like dark themes in everything, so yeah, I'm going to be choosing dark theme basically. After that, press apply if you have changed anything. If not, go ahead and move to the output tab where we'll find our first settings that we're going to be basically changing. So go ahead and go to the output mode and make sure it says advanced, because we're going to be changing the advanced settings of this stream. After that, make sure you go ahead and select streaming, and then go ahead and make sure you are on audio track number 1. We're going to be needing that later. Okay, so this is the first important setting that we're going to be choosing. Okay, so for the encoder, open the drop down menu. So if you basically have a decent Nvidia gaming card, you should find this setting right here, which in brackets you'll find new at the end. If you have it, definitely use it. If you do not have it, no worries, go ahead and select this option right here, which is X264. Go ahead and select it. It'll basically use your CPU instead of using your GPU for basically encoding the video. I have this option, so I'm gonna be selecting that option right there. Alright, so for the rate control now, go ahead and open up the drop down menu and go ahead and select variable bitrate, which is really good because basically allows you to stream a range of bitrate to bounce around in. So the bitrate is gonna be really flexible, and this will save you a lot of lagging and quality loss. So yeah, definitely select variable bitrate. After that, go ahead and make sure the bitrate is on 3000, and basically go ahead and select 6000 as the maximum bitrate. After that, for the keyframe interval, I haven't changed anything. The only thing I've changed is the profile, made it high, and the preset I changed it to quality. So yeah, after that, go ahead and press apply. Do not change anything else. You do not need to change anything else, and go ahead and move to the video tab, which is the second most important setting of today. This one should be filled out automatically, but if it's not, go ahead and type in manually your monitor's resolution, and in the output scale resolution, go ahead and type in manually 1920 x 1080, which is basically 1080p. In the downscale filter, go ahead and make sure it says Langsos, which is basically the sharpest scaling. Now for the FPS, go ahead and make sure it says common FPS values. Open the drop down menu and choose whatever FPS is convenient for you, but if you want the standard best quality, go ahead and select 60 FPS. After that, go ahead and press apply, and go ahead and move to the last tab, which is the advanced tab. Go ahead and make sure the processor priority is set to above normal, and now move into the video settings. I highly doubt that you're going to be having any option other than this one, so go ahead and select it. The color format should be NV12 if you have it. If not, go ahead and select RGB. And now for the color space format, basically go ahead and select 709, which is the highest number you can find. And for the color range, go ahead and select full for the full colors. And here for the stream, and over here in the stream delay, basically you can go ahead and choose to add basically delay. You can basically here add a delay for your stream if you would prefer to. I do prefer to, so I'm gonna be using 20 seconds for a delay, and after that go ahead and press apply, and you now are pretty much set. And boom, like that, you have the best streaming quality there is. And yeah, now I'm going to be demonstrating. I'm going to be pressing start stream so I can start streaming. Again, if you haven't set up your streaming key and all of that, watch my previous video. I have explained that in depth in my previous video, which you can go to by basically clicking on the card on the top right corner. But let me see how much of a quality I have. As you can see, I'm live now because I pressed start stream. Should load up really soon. And boom, this is my stream. As you could see, it's a really good quality. I'm not seeing anything, but it should start really soon. Come on. And boom, this is my stream, as you could see, and it looks absolutely amazing. And I'm my only viewer, that's sad. Go ahead and follow me on Mixer, you'll find it in the description down below. So yeah, anyways, this is how to stream to Mixer with the best quality ever. If this video has been helpful to you guys, then be sure to leave a like rating on today's video. Let's see if we can hit 25 likes on today's video. Also, be sure to share this video with your friends if you think this will help them in any way, shape or form. Anyways guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button as I'm on my way to 2,000 subscribers and all help is appreciated. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.